In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix could not refresh speed problem on Instagram. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, give your first restart to a router. Also toggle on for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it as this will refresh your connection. Restart your phone to clear any temporary bugs that might be affecting Instagram. Next, check for app update, launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version because outdated apps often cause refresh issues. Next, launch Instagram app and force close it and again relaunch it. This might also resolve the issue. Launch your preferred browser, type in Instagram server status and search for it. Navigate to the very first one website. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can apply other steps. So lastly, you can completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. By following these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.